Students, now problem 15. Okay, 15 up to 14. 15. It is written 16x square minus there is AB. So this 4a square, 12ab, 9b square will make one group. So this separated 16x square, take minus common, then 4a square, as I have taken minus common, it will become plus 12ab and it will also become plus 9b square. Now this one we can write 4x whole square minus this 2a square plus 2 into 2a into from here what will give 3b plus 3b whole square. After doing that you will check that middle term is coming or not. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12ab, yes, it is okay. Now 4x whole square minus this one we can write 2a plus 3b whole square. Clear? Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So this equal to, you can write a plus b into a minus b. So this equals to a plus b into a minus b. Both will be negative. These are two factors. We have to use another formula. This we can write in this form: a square plus b square. You know from previous class that a square plus b square equals to either a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. But here we will apply, when you have to find out the factors, always you will apply a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Clear? So it is a, it is b. We can write a plus b whole square minus 2a into b. Clear? Why I have told you, now I will explain. Minus 16x square. This minus 4x whole square. Here you see, it is coming a square minus b square form. So after that we can write a plus b into a minus b. But if there will be plus sign, if we will use that formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab, we have to end here. We will not get the factors. Clear? That's why you will apply a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now after that it is becoming a plus b into a minus b. Clear? This is your factors. You have done in class 7 that to put it in whole square formula, then what to do? We have to add something. Clear? So there is x square. So we will write 2. But there is only x square. We have taken 2x square by force. So we have to adjust. How? Subtracting. Clear? Now this, up to this we can write x square plus 1 whole square, and that is minus x whole square. Then again a square minus b square form, a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So number 18 you can do yourself like 17. Number 18 and 17 similar type. You will try. Now 19. X to the power 4 minus 6x square plus 1. Here also we write in this form, plus 2 into x square no, plus 2 we not write. Here see, minus we write. Why I am taking it? From there is 6x square, I have taken 2x square, so minus 4x square is left. Now why I have not taken here plus? If I take plus 2, then I have to write here minus 8. But 8 cannot be expressed in the form of whole square. Clear? So we have to take here minus, so that minus 4 is coming. Minus 4 means 2 whole square. Clear? So we can write in a square minus b square form. Now this equal to, we can write this minus 2x whole square. Clear? Now a plus b into, plus b I have written first, and a minus b. These are two factors. Then number 20. A to the power 4 minus 23 s square b square plus b to the power 4. Now see, if I can make it 25, so we can make explicit 5 whole square form. Clear? So what to do? Minus 2 needed. So if I write this in this form, a to the a square whole square plus 2 a square into b square plus b square whole square. I have taken this 2a square b square by force, but there is minus 23. So I have to adjust. How? If I write here minus 25 a square b square. See, minus 25 plus 2 means minus 23. So it is adjusted in this way. Now this equals to, we can write a square plus b square whole square. And this is 5ab whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. See? So we have completed exercise 4 also. Here now I think you are practicing home. 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. Clear? And some problems I have not done. I have given the hint. You will complete it. And next exercise you will get in next video. Bye.